Today I'm going to show you how to do a spin, swing, zero hook for the Upraiz Tricking curriculum. Let's check it out. I'm Anthony Medina and welcome to Upraiz Tricking channel. It's all about helping you build a solid foundation for your tricking so that you can excel at the sport. If you're not sure how to do a spin, swing, zero hook, hopefully this video can help. And before continuing this video, I recommend that you have your spin, pop, zero hook. If you do not, you can click right there for that tutorial. When you start this move, you're going to be starting in a front side stance, looking forward at your target. You're going to step around with your back foot into a backside swing, throw your hook kick, and then land in a backside stance. Or you can let that hook kicking leg follow through all the way back around to a front side stance. So let's go ahead and break this move down into progressions. First progression is going to be a spin, swing, hook. Second progression is going to be a spin, swing, hook, follow through. And basically you're just doing your spin, swing, hooks, but you're making sure that you're hooking while you're in the air. Let's check those out one more time. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. If you enjoyed the video, go ahead and leave a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. And if you have not already, I actually messed up right there, so I'm gonna go ahead and just do that again. And if you'd like to support this channel just a little bit more, you can visit patreon.com/Upraiz Tricking. And just by pledging $1 a month, you give me the ability to keep this curriculum going. Here at Upraiz, I'm all about helping you build a solid foundation for your tricking so you can excel at sport. Next, we'll be getting into a spin, cheat, zero hook, and it'd be awesome to have you with us. Stay motivated, keep growing, Upraiz.